Hey Raymond family, it's Miss Frame. I'm here to go through a quick tutorial on how to log into Canvas, which will be the main platform that we will use for virtual learning. I'm going to show you, I think, which is the most helpful way to log into Canvas is through Clever. Clever is what we use to access iReady and Typing Agent, all of the websites or most of the websites that we'll use this year can be accessed through Clever. So I'm going to teach you how to get to Canvas through Clever. I hope that made sense. All right, so from your desktop, you want to go ahead and open Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the most compatible web browser to use with the many different websites that we will be using, so that's what I do suggest. From here, you want to type in clever.com/DCPS. Click enter, and it should take you to a web page that looks like this. From here, you would like to log in as a student. And hopefully this page looks familiar to a lot of you guys. If you've been with DCPS or with Raymond. And then from here, you will log in as a student or click student login. And you're going to enter your username and password. Your username is your student ID number. If you're unsure of your student ID number or if you forgot, contact your teacher. They will have it for you. So you're going to go ahead and put in your student ID number. And you're going to put in your password. Your password is your birthday, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 2-digit year. So if your birthday is August 18th, 2001, you will put 081801. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this student's birthday here. And then click login. So now we're logged into Clever. And Clever is the hub for a lot of different resources that we'll be using, such as Office 365, Typing Agent, and of course, Canvas. So from here, you want to scroll down and it will possibly be under distance learning for students and families. Office 365 will come up first and then login Canvas. So you want to go ahead and click login or click this icon here. And you'll be redirected to this page. Yours will probably look something like this. Of course, my email address is here because it's been online. But you want to enter your email address, which is your student number at students.k12.dc.us. I know that was a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and type it in and leave it up on the screen just in case you want to write it down. So again, your student number at students, make sure it has that S on the end, .k12.dc.us. Okay, then you want to click next. And your password is your birthday, again, the 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 2-digit year. So I'm going to go ahead and put this student's password in and click sign in. It might ask you, do you want to stay signed in? And that's all dependent on if you share the computer with people in your household. You might want to click no. So I'm going to go ahead and click no. And you'll be redirected to Canvas. Now, once you are officially put into your classes, there will be more fun things to see here on your dashboard. However, I'll do another video once everyone's put into their classes to show you how to navigate Canvas. Until then, I hope you had a happy summer and see you in virtual learning.